today we're looking at our specialist services line, which really help and support a one Polygon approach when it comes to claims handling. We're looking specifically at our electronic restoration team today. Let's go meet Marcus and see what they can do. Hi Marcus, good to see you.
Hi Scott, nice to see you. Thanks for coming to see us today.
No problem. Tell us what's going on and what's happening in electronic restoration.
Okay, so in the electronics department, what we do is following fire and flood predominantly, but we also do lightning strikes, accidental damage. Electronics come into us, we strip them, we clean them, or decontaminate them, electronic safety test them and function test them to get them ready to go be back reinstated with the policyholder.
Oh, perfect. And you were explaining to me it's basically anything with a plug that you guys can restore here, yeah?
A wide range as you walk around your property, commercial or residential, anything that plugs in, battery operated items, so you've got your TVs, your videos, hi-fis, washing machines, power tools, literally anything that's electronic that plugs in, we can process it. Even hardwired items, disconnect it, we can process them.
And it's not just the small things you help with either, as we were saying before on that major and complex loss job.
Yeah, on there was very specialist. It was a laboratory that we were working on there, where the actual replacement value of everything was 1.7 million, and we were appointed on that where it came into us specialist equipment, network analytic equipment that was coming in. We stripped it, decontaminated it, and demonstrated a massive saving for the insurance company where we were restoring everything, and it's been calibrated and reinstated for the lab to continue.
From a sustainability side, where making sure things aren't going to landfill, it's not just electronic items like this, is it? You can also do like garden machinery and that type of thing?
Yeah, your lawnmower. So obviously fires and floods can happen in any building, so it could be your outhouse where you store all your garden furniture and your lawnmowers, your hedge trimmers, anything that can be in there, we can restore it. Back in your property, gym equipment, entertainment equipment, anything and everything that, I say, plugged in, hardwired or battery operated, we can sort it and process it.
Magic, thank you for telling us that. And then from a one Polygon perspective on any type of claim, hopefully you can see how electronic restoration can be part of that customer's journey and stopping items going to landfill. So Marcus, you just mentioned as well about the no cure, no pay policy?
Yeah, so what that is, obviously we want the opportunity to demonstrate our services to the insurance industry. So what we do is no cure, no pay policy. If we're unsuccessful then in restoring an item, then we won't charge for that. So it puts the insurance company in a position where they're not paying for restoration and replacement, they're going to pay for one or the other. And we think that's a value add because what we do will potentially restore the item, massive saving the insurance company, reducing on landfill, and it goes back reinstated for the policyholder. Yeah,
I really like that idea. It gives the loss adjusters and insurers the chance to actually restore an item before they then have to pay out for the replacement of it. As you've just mentioned, saving on landfill, saving on waste, and it's a bit like try before you buy really, isn't it? And it's giving that policyholder a chance to get that pre-loved item back to its condition.
Also with a lot of items now, they've got personal data on as well, so you haven't got to worry about the recovery of the data. It could be a gaming console where all your gaming history saved on there, well that will go back and they can carry on where they left off.
Yeah, exactly. My 12-year-old boy would love that if you could do something like that. So I really like that idea, like no cure, no pay policy is great to hear, and again, it really helps that sustainable approach and gives that loss adjuster community and insurer market a chance to use us. So yeah, thanks for telling us that, Marcus.
No problem.
Appreciate your time today. Thank you. Thanks for watching today as we took a closer look at our electronic restoration team. This team at Polygon have been doing this type of work for the last 6 years, as we heard from Marcus, but Marcus and the team have got over 37 years experience when it comes to electronic restoration. So if you were to send something across to Polygon, it's in really good hands. I really like the no cure, no pay policy as well that Marcus has introduced, which gives loss adjusters and insurers a real opportunity to have an item restored before you have to pay for it, which will help reduce cost, reduce landfill, and also helps with that one Polygon approach when it comes to water damage and fire damage claims. Next time we're going to be out on site again with another specialist business unit, our vehicle restoration team. Look out for the video, and if you've got any questions or any queries, please don't hesitate to contact me.